We are on the north flank of Lake Ponderay, and we are where the Clark Fork River meets the lake, and it is a large watershed. It experiences high flows, especially during the spring, and one of the challenges here is the management of large woody debris. So that's where P&P came into the system. We designed and engineered a debris guidance system for the Clark Fork River. It's held up very well. The Corps has been very satisfied. We've had multiple seasons of in-situ trial, and the booms are holding up quite well. 6,500 feet in length, and their long-term plan is to replace the existing systems that are there with an HDPE type float system that we've designed. The tip of the system starts within the Clark Fork River and comes down, and then there's another lateral piece as you start to enter the delta, and the wood carries along that system, it gets passed, and then gets diverted into the log storage area, which is over here to our left. Our sections are on HDPE floats. The shear face wall is a 2-inch section of HDPE, very rugged, very durable, environmentally benign, doesn't leach any chemicals. It extends down 2 feet to get those partially submerged logs. In between the sections, we will shingle it with rubber or HDPE sheathing, so that basically the woody debris flows on one continuous surface and doesn't get hung up. The specifications required that we needed to utilize the existing piling system to hold the system in place, and that's composed of a variety of creosote treated timbers, steel piling. Our design had to work around that. We had to design a wing assembly that could accommodate any of those pile configurations. The shear debris boom section, not the wing assembly, is basically composed of 2 floats, a front and aft, and they're connected with cross members. On the face of that, we have beam blocks that are extruder welded and also power core welded for rigidity. Each of the sections have a HDPE flange that is fusion welded on that. And then upon that flange, we put a steel pad-eye configuration. We can put in articulation, so if there's some degree of movement that's needed to be allowed, or what we can do is we can flange bolt the sections together for one rigid continuous system. The grating that we put on top is a FRP grating. It's slip resistant, and it's also grating that allows for sunlight to go through, so reduce the amount of environmental impacts resulting from shading. On the wing assemblies, we'll put a wear block for an extended service life. The pontoons, we offer a 10-year watertight warranty with a 50-year service life. Safer product, more effective product, lower O&M cost, so overall a good deal for the customer.